Hello. Guess what? Excision sustain number 2. We are getting down today. We are getting down on this sustain. A big, long, rude boy, pitch boy. Let's do this. First off, I made multiple sustains here. And if you want all 3 of them, just get it in the Patreon. But if you want me to show you how to make it, watch the video. I'll show you some extra tricks and tips, and it'll be really nice. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. More videos like this coming soon. But let's get into it. Hear it with the processing on. We'll turn that off. And then we're also going to turn off all the Serum effects here. And then listen down now. We're just stripping it down, bare naked. Take out the filter. Oscillator bay. When you open up Serum, go here, digital, evolve long grease. Get this wave table, put the wave table position on 72. You're going to turn on FM from B to 50%. You're going to put the level on 75, turn down the random and phase for all your oscillators. Then you're going to create LFO1, make it this nice rampy trapezoidy longy 2-bar rate. Trigger is the key. Then you're going to put LFO1 on FM from B and turn it down to -22. Adding slight movement in FM from B. Changing the tone. We're going to go here, add basic shapes. Very nice, basic shapes. Get the saw wave, which is number 2. Turn the sync all the way down. Turn the sync no window on. Then you're going to put the LFO1 on the sync knob, up 42. Turn the level down, and then the LFO is going to go on the level, up 77. Random and phase down, don't forget. Now, get your sub, put your sub on 87%, direct out that guy. Get your noise, AC hum 1 that boy, put the level all the way down, and then LFO up 23, Jordan. Hear that little noisy? Ooh, we're getting it done. All right, add that distortiones, drive all the way down. Diode 2 is what we need. Put the LFO on it, put it up. 71. Now sounds nice. Whoa! Next, compressor, multiband on. Don't turn up the gain, turn down the threshold. And let's activate that boy by turning it to -10.5 like this. Ah, dang. All right. Now, reverb on, mixes at a low point of 11%, size is at 35, decays at 4.7, low cuts at 55%. It's at Hall. What do you know about this reverb? Just slight verbiage, slight verbiage. Get the CQ, we're going to do a little high shelf, gains up at 3. Just for a little spunk. Now you want to finish it off with some OT tizzle. You want to get your Dripment stereo effects. If you listen now, it's just in the middle. Turn this on. Now we got both. This fills it out. Dripment stereo effects. You already know what it is. It's everywhere. It's in this. And then if you look here, it's redlining. So turn on JST clip. Let's clip that boy at 0. Oversampling is turned on just for the massive amount of distortion that's being used. And then when you're ready to mix it down, then you add your EQ, cut out these lows, add a separate sub, and then you got a clean sound. So this is an easy way to mix sustains. If you want to switch it up a little bit, add another filter, put it on combs or all passes, and start changing up the tone. So put the LFO on the mix, turn it up 45, on the drive, all the way down, turn it up 57. Same thing with the resonance to 46%. Now we can mess with different tones. So have fun, experiment, and make some basses of your own. Find the tone that matches the drop of your song. Because it's always going to be different. Move the knobs a little bit and get your sauce right. Now we're going to check out these other ones I made. This one, we just changed up the wavetable position a little bit. We just barely moved some of these knobs and got it a little deeper. And then we have the Rude Boy, which is just switching the wavetable, putting the LFO1 on the wavetable position. So you can mess with different parameters and start making different sustains. Ooh, well, that's really it. That's the sustain bass like Excision the Dawn. We have 3 of them here. If you want the preset for free, I'll give you that in the description. If you want all these racks, all these basses, and all my previous projects, get it on my Patreon. You already know. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. You guys have been great. More tutorials like this coming soon. Otherwise, peace out. Stay fresh. Keep it real. All day.
From the underground.